Hello friends, welcome to Eat East Indian channel. Today we are making super delicious mouth-watering chickpea and butternut squash curry in coconut milk. So for this dish, I have heated my pressure cooker with a little bit of an oil. I'm adding chopped onions. I'm using white onions. You can use any onions of your choice. Red onions would work great as well. Add cumin seeds, about a teaspoon. That's jeera. Lends nice flavor to the dish and also is good for digestion. So quick mix here, and next we are adding some chopped butternut squash. So just peel it, cut it into bite-sized pieces and add it in. It cooks really quickly in the pressure cooker. And it has a nice flavor that lends extra creaminess to your curry without use of any cream. Alright, next we will add in some spices, some minced garlic. So 1 teaspoon of minced garlic is in. We'll mix it well. And for spices, I'm using salt, chili powder and turmeric to start, and then we'll use curry powder later on. Salt should be as per your taste. I'm making 2 cups of chickpeas. Red chili powder is in. Another quick mix so that butternut squash is well coated with these spices. Then add in some chopped tomatoes. You can also use tomato paste, but fresh tomatoes have their own flavor. So about 2 small chopped tomatoes are in. We'll give them a quick mix, let them become a little tender, allow them to saute, and then we'll add in our chickpeas. Now chickpeas, I have soaked them in water overnight. So they have puffed up a little bit. I'm going to discard this water, give them a quick wash, and then I'll add it in the pressure cooker. So discard the water and then add in chickpeas in your pressure cooker along with the other ingredients. Now we will add in curry powder, 2 teaspoons. You can also use blend of different spices that you might have in your pantry. They also sell chana masala nowadays in the stores, so you can also use that chana masala or chickpea masala. It's basically a blend of different Indian spices roasted and ground. Alright, this is well mixed. Now we are adding 1 can of coconut milk, about 400 milliliters, and I'll also add half a cup of extra water. So mix this well. So instead of water, when we cook the chickpeas in coconut milk, they'll get that nice flavor. The curry will overall have a wonderful taste. Alright, adding water. And before I close the pressure cooker, I'm going to add some dried fenugreek leaves, kasoori methi. Lends another dimension of flavor to our dish. That's it. Mix everything well, cover the pressure cooker and let it cook for 3 to 4 whistles on medium-high heat. You can keep the heat high, and as soon as there is 1 whistle, turn the heat down. 2 to 3 more whistles, and then turn the heat off. Once the cooker has cooled down, then you will open it, will season it, will garnish it with a little bit of chopped cilantro, and then it will be ready to be served. Look at that, how beautiful. It's really quick to make it. If you don't have uncooked raw chickpeas, you can also use canned chickpeas, but when we soak them overnight, the process is really fast. That's it, our dish is ready. You can enjoy them over rice. You can serve it with naan, with parantha, with roti. I hope you like this dish, guys. Give it a try in your own kitchen, and I will see you soon with another exciting recipe. So do stay tuned to Eat East Indian.